Hey, good morning, students. How you guys doing? Today is Tuesday. I'm gonna go ahead and do a video for yesterday and today separately. So just want to let you guys know we did go over these answers. Just remember we didn't go over this answer, number 5. So 22 plus -3 plus -9 plus 6. If you do the T-chart, right, if you can see it, all right, there are 28 positives and 12 negatives. So the winner, my answer will be positive, and they won by 16 because I subtract. Okay. The other answer that we didn't give you, or I didn't give you, was 4 times -4, which is -16. And oh yeah, and then this one, number 3, -7 minus 9, -7, take away 9 is -16. If you got it right, put a little check. Put a check on all of them that you got correct, please. Don't forget, all you have to do is take a picture and email it to me. All right, write this on a separate sheet of paper. 16 take away 28. So 16 is positive, -28, and they won by -12. Okay? All right, and I think those are all the answers. Um, so if you want to look at them real quick, so we can move on. Okay, and there you go. All right, and then the next page, this assignment is called Quiz Plus Negative uh, Integers, and it's going to be assigned so on your student portal. So please turn them in because I'm going to start inputting grades. So my answer for this one, if I did all the work, because this is negative, a negative is a positive, right? -14, -4, plus 7. There's -18. So my winner or my answer will be negative because there's more negatives. And by how many? By 11. And I subtract it. Okay. This one will be negative what? Yeah, if you put -5, that is your answer. Put a little check if you got it right. Bam, bam. On this one here, number 7, -2 times -3, that's a positive. 2 times 3 is 6 minus 10. So if I do the T-chart without using a calculator, 6, -10, and there are more negatives, so my answer is going to be negative, and they won by 4 because I subtracted. Okay, and then this one here, 3 times 4 is 12, and positive times negative is negative, and then -4, we drop it down, and then I could do the T-chart real quick. Try not to use a calculator. This is -4, -12. Negative wins by, and there's 16 of them. How did I get 16? I added them. Why did I add them? Because they are what? They're all negatives. All right, very good. And then the next one, what do we have the next one? -4 times 3 is -12. Drop down to 15. 15 times 12 is, 15 take away 12 is 3. Yep, that's your answer, 3. And then the next one, the last one, 10, is if John was in debt. In debt means it's negative. If if he was in debt 10 and then paid, so he paid into his debt, that's positive 15. So where do you see -10 plus 15? No, I'm missing a -10, so that one's gone. No, not -15, so that's gone. -10 plus 15. Oh, that one looks good. -10 minus 5. Oh no, that one doesn't look good. So your answer is C. All right. So make sure you guys have the answers. Those are the answers to all the problems that I've given you. And then on Friday, I gave you guys this problem here, or this page, and it's called assessment. You were only supposed to do page 1. So real quick, this is 5 plus -8. Well, what's 5 plus -8? Right? So here, let's see, what do we do? You do the T-chart. Let's see. All right, here we go. 5, -8, -3. Did you guys get that? Next one. Positive wins by 4. Next one. Negative, negative, right? So negative, negative. 6 plus 4. 10. There you go. So far, so good. Alright. Keep going, keep going. Here we go. Negative, negative. That's a positive. T-chart. Positive wins by 2. Alright, here we go. Keep going. So now we have 5 plus negative 3 minus, oh, they all have x's. So we're going to keep it on the same t-chart because they all have the same variable and each term has a coefficient with the variable. So this is 5x, this is negative 3x, this is also negative 2x. So let's add up all the negatives, and that's 5x, and then positive 5x. So who won there? It's a tie, so I'm going to put tie. No one won. 0. Good job, you guys. Nice. Next one. They're all y's. So I'm going to go ahead and put them all on the same t-chart. Negative 7y. Alright, go. And positive 6y. So I could add these. And these are 15y and 6y's, right? So who has more, the positive or the negative? Yeah, the negative. The negative by how many? Well, I'm going to subtract, so I have 9y. Pretty good? Alright, good job, you guys. Nice. This one here, ooh, I don't even know what it was. I think it was, it was probably, let's put a y. Alright, let's just put a negative 4y. So here we go. Negative, negative is a positive. So we got 5x plus 3y. And then that's plus negative 4y. So leave it alone. So I'm going to do a t-chart for only the y's. Positive 3y, negative 4y. Negative wins by 1y. So these are gone. Which leaves me with positive 5x. Or you could write 5x minus 1y. Or you could write 5x plus negative 1y. So it doesn't matter. It's all the same. Brown eye gal. Alright, next one. Whatever happened. So here we go. Distributive property. So you got to do the generic rectangle. So 2x plus 4. So 5 times 2x is 10x. And 5 times positive 4 is 20. So there's your answer. Okay? And then we did this one. Alright, on the last video. And then here we got 5x equals 10. So I'm going to actually draw a line because we want to know what number can I put into x to balance out the equation. So I could divide by 5. And x equals, because this is a 1, x is equal to 2. Okay? Don't just put 2. You got to put divided by like this. Otherwise, I think you're using a calculator. No calculators. Come on. Divide by what? Divide by negative 7. Both sides. This is the 1. So y is equal to 14 divided by 7 is 2. And positive divided by negative is negative. So my answer is negative 2. On the other side, we have, well, I can't divide by 5 yet because I got to get rid of things. So I got to get rid of negative 8. I got to get rid of the positive 8 by subtracting 8. 5x equals 18 take away 8 is 10. And now I could divide by 5. And that's your 1. And x is positive. Yep, it's 2. Good job, you guys. All right? Just don't copy to copy. Come on, copy to understand. Uh-oh. All right, now again, this is an equal sign. We need to balance the equation and try to find out what is your y, negative 6 times y. So I'm going to, can't divide yet. I got to take care of this negative 3, so I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Add 3. Okay, add 3 to both sides. That makes it 0. Drop down to negative 6y. Negative 9 plus 3. So I don't know. So I'm going to do my t-chart. Negative 9 plus 3. Negative wins by 6. Now I could divide by negative 6. And coincidentally, this side is also negative 6. So this is a 1. So y is equal to negative divided by negative is a positive. And 6 divided by 6 is 1. So there's your answer there. On this side, but the variable is on the right side, so I can't divide by 6. I have to do 0 pairs. I got to get rid of this guy, so I got to get rid of the negative 3 by adding 3. So my answer is, on the right side is 6y equals 9 plus 3 is 12. Now I could divide by 12 or 6. Yes, 6. 6, because it's the coefficient of the variable. See, this 12 doesn't have a variable, so it's constant. So now, y is equal to 2. Got it? And now we have variables on both sides. So now let's do 0 pairs. Let's eliminate. So I'm going to do the 4x minus 4x minus 4x, which gives me 2x minus 4 equals 2. Now, you're in this position. So now I can't divide by 2. I got to get rid of the negative 4 by adding 4. So 2x equals 6. Now I could divide by 2. And my answer is 3. That's it. Alright? Check it out. So now what you're going to do is you're going to do the second page. Page 2. Just try your best. Alright, this is all review. See what you get, graphing, and we'll come back. Alright, take it easy. Stay at home, stay at home. Come on.